Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming the error source so you fix the right interface. First, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see where lookup fails. This isolates router versus carrier DNS. Once done, restart both devices. A quick power cycle often clears stale DNS caches. Next, access your network settings and note whether DNS is automatic or custom. Write down any custom addresses such as 8, 8, 8, 8 so you can revert if needed. Now you will change to a reliable public DNS to bypass the error. On Wi-Fi, tap the network, pick advanced or IP settings, and switch DNS to manual. Enter a trusted resolver such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 for DNS 1, optionally add 1, 0, 0, 1 or 8, 8, 4, 4 as DNS 2. Save and reconnect to the network. This forces fresh lookups. Then clear your browser and app caches so old failed results don't persist. Finish by verifying the fix across browsers and apps. Open several sites to ensure DNS responses are healthy. If the problem remains, reset network settings on the phone to clear all network state and change DNS on the router so every device uses the same resolver. Make sure saved proxies are off. If nothing works, use a reputable VPN to bypass a faulty carrier DNS as a temporary workaround. It proves whether carrier DNS is the culprit and keeps you online while you troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.